Hello, one and all. As a series of providing video sessions on Python server-side programming language, in my previous session I have discussed the tuples in Python. Now in this class I am going to discuss the dictionaries. Hope you are getting all the classes well, and hope you are doing well. And subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech and like my videos and come to the class. So today's topic is the dictionaries. So what is meant by dictionary? Here each key is separated from its value by colon, and the items are separated by commas, and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. This is the definition for the dictionary. So each key is separated from its value by colon, and items are separated by commas, and the whole thing is enclosed in the curly braces. This is the syntax for the dictionary. As empty dictionary without any items written with just two curly braces like this, that is called as the empty dictionary. So keys are unique within a dictionary with while values may not be. So the values of a dictionary can be of any type, that means, but the keys must be immutable data types such as strings and numbers or tuples. So here the here the way to accessing the values in dictionary. Consider the example. DACT is a dictionary in short, written like this. Here I have the first one is the here we can these are the value. First one is the value, second one is the item. So here name is here, name is the item, and the next one jara is the value, and separated by comma. So name is the value, jara is the item. So name colon jara, name is in the single quotes, and jara is in single quote. Why? Because it is a name. Next one is the age in the single quotes and colon. 7, it is the numerical value. Class, it is the first that is in the single quote. So this is the way to enclose. So both name, age, and the class are enclosed in parentheses. So this is the syntax of an dictionary and accessing values in the dictionary. So suppose when the above code is executed, I am printing the dictionary. You can clearly observe the dictionary name. I am writing the dictionary name onto the output screen, and next writing the dictionary age, and dictionary of name, dictionary of age are printed after the print statement. So the name and age. So name is the jara, age is the 7, printed onto the output screen. So this is the way. Suppose if we attempted to access a data item with a key which is not part of the dictionary, we get an error. Oh yes, it is absolutely true. Why? Because there is no value. If there is no any value or item mentioned in the dictionary, and even we are going to access the value from the dictionary, then we get an error. So consider this example. The dictionary has the value and items separated by commas, and the whole dictionary enclosed in parentheses as follows. So dictionary is the name jara, age 7, class first. Here I am printing the statement dictionary of Alice. Dictionary of Alice is not an item and a value, and is mentioned in the dictionary, initialized in the dictionary. That's why we get an error. So next one is that is the main about the how to we access a dictionary, how we initialize the values a dictionary, what is syntax of a dictionary, and what is done by dictionary are discussed. And next one is the updating dictionary. How we update dictionary is as follows. First one is the here we have the dictionary. Some say I taken a dictionary which has the some value and item separated by commas, and the whole dictionary enclosed in the parentheses. Here we have the three different types of values, and which items are mentioned after the colon, and the entire value is separated by comma, and the entire dictionary values are enclosed in parentheses. This is the dictionary definition. So dictionary is equal to name jara, age 7, class first. This is the dictionary one. And next I am including another value. Here I am changing the value as dictionary of age is equal to 8. See, updating dictionary. So I have the at the time of finish staging I mentioned the age as 7. After closing the dictionary, I am updating the some specific value along with item as with another value. That's why the dictionary updating, and adding. And next one is the adding new data value to the dictionary, that is the district of dictionary of a school is equal to DPS school. And so I am printing the both values onto the output screen. So the compiler considers these values and printed onto the output screen successfully. So dictionary length is very high, so I want to delete some value the item accordingly. So we use the del keyword, that is a delete keyword, that is called del keyword. Using del keyword we will get the we remove the value and item accordingly. So dictionary we have the three different types of item followed by value. Those are name Jara age 7 class first. Here I want to delete the name, so simply use the keyword del del keyword, and next one is the dictionary, and mention the value, which value you are going to remove, that is the name. So the name will be removed from the dictionary. And next I am clearing the dish dot clear. So here I am introduced a method called clear. So by using this clear method we can clear remove all the entries in the dictionary, that is the predefined method in the dictionary, that is the clear method. And next I am clearing the entire dictionary del space dictionary, that means we can clear the entire dictionary using the delete keyword. That is something about the how we can delete a dictionary. Next one, the property of dictionary keys. So dictionary values, that means dictionary values have no restrictions. They can be any arbitrary Python object, that means they are either standard objects or user defined objects. So consider this in order to understand the properties of dictionary keys. So I consider the following example. Here I have taken a dictionary name Jara A7 and the name money. Here I am printing some value dictionary of name. Here I am printing dictionary of name. Here why here the name Jara is of one name and name money is the another name. Here I am printing the dictionary of name, passed the name as an value. So as in the code executed, it produced the following result, dictionary of money. Here why, because here the names, that means there are two important, remember the dictionary keys, we have to remember the two dictionary properties. First one is the more than one entry per key is not allowed. This means no duplicate key is allowed. When duplicate keys are encountered during the assignment, the last assignment means here you can clearly mention, that means name and name. So both are the same values, but their items are different. First one is Jara, second one is money. In that situation, both values are same, but the items are different. The second item, which one is the last defined item, will be printed first. So that's why name money printed onto the output screen. And the second important point we have to know about dictionary keys is the keys must be immutable. That means we can use the strings, numbers or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like key is not allowed. So use the dictionary. We have the two values and separated by colon, and the entire dictionary is in the parentheses. So we have the name is Jara, age is 7. I am printing the dictionary name, that is Jara, onto the output screen. So when the code is executed following the result, why, because we can't change the name value. This means the keys must be immutable. That means we can use strings or numbers. Here I am not using the syntax in proper way, that's why I get the error. This is something about the properties of dictionaries. And next we are going to discuss the different types of method. What are different types of method we are using on the dictionary? I shall discuss the dictionary methods in next class. So please try to subscribe my channel and like my videos and comments if you have any doubts. And thank you all. Have a nice day.